Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to paint a dolphin pair at sunset. So let's start. We are using here white, crimson red, yellow orchid or golden yellow, lemon yellow, purple and black color. We'll start with purple color at the top, followed by crimson red color. We'll do a crisscross strokes here and blend both the colors. As both the colors are wet, we blend each other very nicely. I'm using here a canvas texture drawing paper. I have brought it from Amazon and it is very nice quality paper to start with painting for any beginner. In between I am adding a purple color so that will create a shades of the colors here. Now we'll apply yellow color. I'm using a flat brush tool. Mix yellow color with crimson red. Now we'll apply a shade of lemon yellow. Overlap lemon yellow with yellow color. Wash off the brush now and drain excess water with tissue paper. Now with the clean brush, we are applying a layer of yellow and lemon yellow. Here our sun will come and we want a texture of lemon yellow and yellow color with the white color in between so that it will create a sunlight effect. Now we'll complete our sky with crimson red shade at the bottom. Now we'll begin with our sea. Apply a horizontal strokes here and start from the crimson red from the side of the page. Follow the same procedure with yellow color. And apply this strokes over crimson red so that both the colors will blend with each other. Now to the center we are applying a lemon yellow color with similar kind of strokes. At the sea bottom, we have applied a crimson red color. And now splash white color in between to create a waterways effect. Now we'll paint our sun with white color. I'm using a round brush number 00. Now we'll paint our land with black color with flat brush number 6. Let's start with dolphins. You can either draw up dolphins with pencil or else you can directly paint dolphins with paintbrush. We'll draw some flowers and plants here. We'll add some water splashes with white color. Use the tip of flat brush. Our painting is ready now. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.